Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make mint oil for hair growth. First, you will need to gather your ingredients, fresh mint leaves and a high-quality carrier oil. Next, ensure your mint is clean and completely dry. Then, prepare the mint by chopping or crushing it to help release its beneficial compounds. Finally, you will gently infuse the mint into your chosen carrier oil. To begin, you'll want approximately 1 cup of fresh mint leaves. Make sure they are thoroughly washed and completely dry to prevent any water from contaminating your oil. Choose a good quality carrier oil, such as jojoba, olive, or almond oil, as this will be the base for your mint infusion. Finely chop the mint leaves. This helps maximize the surface area for oil extraction. Now, combine your finely chopped mint with about 1 cup of your chosen carrier oil in the top of a double boiler. Heat this mixture very gently over low heat for 2 to 3 hours. It's crucial to maintain a low temperature, ideally between 100 and 120 degrees Fahrenheit, to preserve the mint's properties. Stir the mixture occasionally to ensure even infusion. Once the infusion is complete and the oil has cooled, strain the mixture through a fine mesh sieve lined with cheesecloth. Squeeze the mint leaves thoroughly to extract every last drop of the infused oil. Transfer your homemade mint oil into a clean, dark glass bottle. Store it in a cool, dark place, and it should remain potent and effective for up to 6 months.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.